We're connecting you to Greater Manchester Police.
What's that, mate? Yeah, that's me. Indeed, mate, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Alright everyone, so here we are today in Manchester, filming on a construction site next to HMP Manchester itself. So we've got approval, got a permit, ready to roll. It's a beautiful sunny day. Let's do this. Cool. What's that, mate? Yeah, that's me. Indeed, mate, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Where is it now then?
Well, you just at the top here. You see the red bit? Can you see?
Oh, I can just see the bit,
middle of it. Yeah.
Right,
there you go. There you go. That's the one.
Oh, yeah.
I'm here to capture the video, not install the product.
Right,
but it's this stuff here. That sheeting. So yeah, they just want that documented to see how the progress is coming along.
Very good, yeah.
Yeah, man, it's nice.
My name's Ray.
How you doing, Ray?
God, what's yours?
Matthew.
All the best for the new year, Matthew.
Cheers, mate. You too.
I've been involved in this industry for 45 years.
I love that. 45 years, dedicated.
And
you love it?
Give me a good life, Matthew.
That's good.
Good family, good children, good grandchildren.
A lot of good mates from it as well.
Yeah, well, you know, some no longer with us.
Yeah, I bet.
Different. Even the materials to when I started in 1979.
Yeah.
To what you're using today, completely different materials.
Oh, of course. Yeah. Is it a lot easier now, or?
Yeah, a lot easier now.
Yeah, less body.
Well, you could. The welfare is a lot better today.
Yes. Yeah.
You know, I can remember getting changed in the back of a van.
I bet. No health and safety, you know.
It wasn't there.
Wasn't the best.
No.
I'm just going to bring it down, mate. So you get a first class view. There you go. And we'll bring it down. Should we see if we can get it in the middle?
I started in the industry, Matthew. There's no such thing as anything like this. Look at that, you won't believe it, would you? Look at that.
It's like something out of the future, isn't it?
Perfect.
Yeah, man. Thank you.
Let me show you the picture of me.
Yeah.
The year I started.
The year you started, you got a photo?
Well, there was a magazine came out.
Yeah.
And there was like 200 guys. Took a picture of progress and I kept the magazine.
Nice.
And I'm writing a book on my working career.
Okay.
And this is going to be on the front cover of my book.
Oh, that's a good idea.
And I'm mainly involved in all the rebar. That's me.
Yep.
My skill, although I've been involved in concrete and formwork. Rebar's been me. So the title of my book, when it gets published in a year or two,
yep,
is going to be called The Real Man of Steel.
Hey, that's nice. That's good.
And I come from Widnes. Have you heard of Widnes?
I haven't, no, not from around these parts.
You've not. Have you heard of Warrington?
Yes.
It's in between Liverpool and Manchester.
Oh, near, is it Runcorn?
Runcorn. So there's the River Mersey.
Yeah, that's it.
Runcorn's on that side of the river.
And then
Widnes is on this side of the river.
Yeah.
But you look intelligent.
I semi, mate.
There's the provenance of I'm on this picture. Look at the year there.
1979.
Right? It might take you a while to spot, but...
Oh, wow, I mean, there's a lot of faces to go through. Right, you know what?
I'm 64 on April the 4th.
64.
So picture how old it'd be then.
Wow. My goodness. What were you, 18?
17. Hang on.
It's going to take me a lifetime. Where are you? There you are, right there.
Can you spot me there?
This one?
This one?
This one here, sorry,
The
mate.
kid.
Oh, yeah. Look at that. Mate, I'm loving the hat.
There was no PPE and no... That was in an oil refinery. A lot of them would be dead now, I know of.
Oh, man.
Anyway, that's me, and I just happened to keep the magazine, and
Oh, 100%.
look at that, 3 safety hats and all them, mate. 4, sorry. So it wasn't a thing
Yeah.
where we are today.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
You know, like-
Does it almost feel a bit too much now? Do you think?
No,
You prefer it?
it's given me a good life.
Good.
Nice to meet you, Matthew.
Yes, you too, mate. Lovely chat.
Top, how you, mate?
What a guy. Love that. So I've noticed one thing about being in the north. People are much more chatty. You'd never get that down south. Never. And if you did, it'd be once in a blue moon.
Are you allowed in the drone?
Hello, mate. Yes. You see it around, yeah?
How far you can go?
I mean, legally, it can go 500 meters. Look at this. That's cool, isn't it?
That's my boys running the scan.
Oh,
Can I
yeah?
make a picture on it?
Yeah, of course, man. See if they're working, yeah? You get it? Nice. It's cool, isn't it?
Expensive one.
It's about 1,800.
So you're working with the drone full time?
Yes. Yeah, and cameras, but drones is mainly, yeah. Oh, that's them on the radio.
Yeah, that's the last one.
I love that.
It's great picture, great quality.
Yeah. It's crazy what they can do. They are amazing, you know? Very cool.
How long the batteries last?
Half an hour?
No.
It's pretty good.
But if the batteries get low down there, what
It,
you do?
well, you come back, but if you're in danger, it will come back by itself.
Interesting.
Yeah, man, it's fun. Okay, so here I'm going to do the Mini 4. Obviously I'd love to fly the Mavic 3 Pro here, but you know, you got to stick with the rules. And yeah, this is definitely not 50 meters. So yeah, the Mini will do. Just a short flight. Nothing crazy needed here. Here we go. That's over. I wonder how many people come up to me this time. I'm just hoping no one shows up and thinks I'm DJ audits. That would be pretty bad. Right, turning on. So whisper quiet. So there's a crane there, but we're a good distance. Take off, turn around and up. Turn around, up, forwards, and there we go. We have a very nice sun glare going through right now. Don't know if you can see that. It's looking beautiful. Oh, this is good. This was worth it. I didn't know if I wanted to stop here, but yeah, it's definitely worth it. Got to keep the prison out of shot as much as I can, and I don't want to go around this big building. So I've got to make it show Manchester skyline. There we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, bang. There we go. Mission success. Well worth it. I doubted it. Should never doubt your first judgment. Right, onwards.